welcome in to another stitch tutorial. Today we're going to do the tiny cloud stitch. Very easy, looks like a yarn eater, definitely isn't a yarn eater. Onto my Beany and let's go. So of course, starting with the slip knot. And then we want to do multiples of 3 plus 2. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, whoops, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to say that's enough to do a little swatch for you guys. So there's my multiple of 3 and I'm adding 2. 1, 2. Now in the second from the hook, so there's your first complete stitch, there's your second, you're going in for a half double crochet. So yarn over, in you go, yarn over, pull through, 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. In that same chain, do another half double crochet. Skip the next chain, and in the next, a single crochet. And that's as technical as it gets. In the next, 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Oops. So make sure you skip that one. And then in the next, if you can get your hook in, oh, for heaven's sake. Come on, girl. There you go. 2 half doubles into that same one. Skip the next stitch into the next single crochet. In the next, 2 half doubles. I should have picked a smaller hook, that's my fault. Skip into the next, 1 single. Into the next, 2 half doubles. You're literally doing that to the end of the row. So you skip 1, then do a single crochet. Then in the next stitch, 2 half doubles. And repeat for as long as you need to go. Oops. Shush hook, shush. So there is row 1. At the end of every row, just chain 1 and turn. And you don't want to go into this stitch where the chains come from. You want to go into the next with 2 half double crochets. So ignore this one, go into the next, 2 half double crochets. Skip into the next, single crochet, into the next, 2 half doubles. skip, single crochet. Into the next 2 half doubles. Now let's slow that down just a little bit for you. So skip the next stitch, into the next, single crochet, into the next, half double, followed by another half double in the same stitch, and that is it. So you skip 1, single crochet, 2 half doubles, and on the end of the row chain 1, and you repeat. So at the start of every row you're going to begin with 2 half doubles, not in the same stitch as the chain but the next one over. You place your 2 half doubles, and then from there you skip a stitch. You go into the next for a single, into the next for the half doubles. Now because you're skipping that 1 stitch, you're literally keeping the same amount of stitches. You're not adding any, you're not playing yarn eater. And the wonderful thing with this stitch is it makes a lovely thicker fabric that's warm, textured, and very, very versatile. So I'll just get to the end. I've got cramp, it's not good. There's my single. And my last 2 doubles. Well, half doubles. Don't want to confuse you, sorry. Just remember at the end of every row, chain 1. So let's put a hanky marker on it. Of course, it's not just hanky markers that I make other markers too. Over 100 on my Etsy store, which is linked down below in the description, just below all the hearts. There we go. Let's hide that tail so you can actually see the pattern. There you have it. Of course, double-sided. And a nice little pattern to play with. There you go. Have you given it a go? Would you give it a go? What do you fancy making? Let me know down below. And while you're there, if you haven't already, sorry for wobbling you, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell and set to all if you like these kind of tutorials. And hopefully I will see you again next Tuesday for another stitch tutorial. So take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.